Hi y'all, it is 2 in the morning, which means it's the perfect time for me to dye my hair. I've been dealing with a little bit of an unevenness situation. Let me show you what we got going on. I don't know if you can see it, but we got some banding. Are you able to see that? And it goes pretty much throughout the entire hair. I do dye my hair in different sections. So some sections may be worse than others. But yeah, we're gonna fix this tonight. I'm thinking of maybe having a money piece too, but we'll get there. First step, actually, I'm gonna put my contacts because this is gonna block a lot of the hair. And I don't really want products on my glasses, so let me do that first. Okay, now my contacts are in. We are ready to get started. Here are the products that I used. We got the Developing Water. We'll be using 8N, 7B, and 7NB. So usually when I bleach my hair, I do a root tap, but I think for this situation, we can do a root smudge, carry it down a little bit beyond the banding, and then it will work out, maybe. It's gonna be darker for sure. I think like it will come off darker, but it's okay because we're using Redken today. It's a translucent toner, which means the next time that I bleach my hair, it should be easy to take out. In my mind, this is temporary, and I'm hoping it's gonna be temporary. I usually start with like the front because I usually want to make sure like that is the color I want it to be. But because I have banding like throughout all of the hair, I think it's gonna be cleaner and like less messy if we go bottom up. I have a clip to help us do that. But first, let's get to mixing. I would wear gloves, but because we're not touching like the bottom of my hair, I think it's fine. I also have my mirror over here, so I'm probably gonna be looking like this way as we're recording. Let's start with 8N because I feel like that's the one I'm gonna be putting in the most of. Okay, I think that's enough 8N. Maybe a little bit more. It's mainly gonna be 8N just because like I am scared of it being like a little too dark. I still like to be pretty bright. So yeah, next I'm gonna go in with 7NB. Just a little bit. I don't want too much. I think NB is gonna be like a little bit warm just to balance it out. So we just want like a little touch. And then 7B, it's just to like cancel a lot of this like orangey we have going on. Okay, I think that's good. We might have mixed way too much color. I usually always do that. Alrighty, and to be honest, I just eyeballed it. I should be doing equal parts and measuring it out. That probably would yield better results. And I did mix like quite a bit, honestly. Now that we have the consistency that we want, let's section our hair. I'm gonna try and do like thinner sections than like normally. Okay. Oh, you see how like uneven and short that is? Crazy. Look at that. This breakage is not a result of bleaching my hair, by the way. It's because one night I ended up throwing up on like that side of my hair and then falling asleep on it. So it just caused a lot of damage. I did want to blend it downward. I don't have a brush with me right now that I want to use, so I'm going to use my fingers. And hopefully that's okay. I hope it's blended. Okay, and that's one piece. Let's do the other side. I feel like I should have done a better job of clipping up my hair, but whatever. I can kind of like already see what's happening. That's kind of cool. Next section. And for this section, I'm gonna try and clip it up better. We're out of the way. I'm trying to get this back section first.
Words that you say don't mean it's the pain in my chest. still mine. Yeah, I know it's cute, I'm being a little distant, cause you know you're still mine. Ends don't mean why they call them ends. And I practice how she was acting then. Now it's on your mind. Were you roaming with? Why you gone? Were you holding on to? Can we flex just a minute?
And I'm kind of doing it at like a diagonal too. It's going, like it's changing colors a lot faster than I was expecting. But do you envision what I was envisioning now? Kind of like an ombre effect, you know? The back of my hair is really warm right now too. So. Okay, I said screw the clip and just ended up like tying it into a bun. Yeah, we just needed it like up and out. Anyway.
Blue box, it's a long one. Too cold, I was too strong. Got dust on a blow one. Send me shots, I don't want one. You know how we done. Ends don't mean why they call them ends. And I practice how she was acting then. Now it's on your mind. Were you roaming with? Why you got a lot? Were you holding on to? You know how we done. Get some weird done. You know how we done.
I think it's like kind of cute already. Or am I tripping? Time for the next section. At first, I was like kind of nervous with what we were doing. I don't really like going darker. I only like ever going lighter. But I think it's kind of like coming together. I'm trusting in the process. And then I'll get the back. And I'm making sure to like really saturate it. We're getting closer. I don't know if I will be tying away any part of it anymore. I think we're just gonna go for it now. Cool. And now for the most exciting part. Nice, and now we connect with the previous section. So this side is done. Now let's move on to the other side. Okay, we're on our last section. Nice. Now we'll just go through the hair and make sure like everything is fully covered. We still have like a ton of product left, so we're gonna make sure to over apply rather than under apply. Alrighty, and I think all of the hair is now saturated. We're gonna wait about like 30 minutes and then we'll rinse it off and I'll show you how it turned out. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and this is the color that it's gonna be now that we're washing it out. It looks really dark, but I think once we wash it, it's not gonna be as dark. I hope. All right, so it has not just been one wash. It's been 2 washes now. I just kind of got busy after filming that last part, but this is how it looks now, a little bit more lived in. The first, I don't know, I can't tell if it looks better after 2 washes than just like immediately after, because the first wash was like right after I toned it, and I feel like this part was still like really dark. Versus now, it does seem like it's a little bit more like blended in this zone for sure. Also, it almost feels like it blended all throughout my hair. Like even my, oh guys, this is how long my hair is now. But yeah, so it seems like the color has blended down all the way to the ends, and my overall hair is definitely a little bit darker. She is now probably like a level 8. And like up here is definitely like 7-ish, 6-ish. Yeah, let me show you the back if I can. You know what? I'm gonna try. Okay. And then this is what it looks like, random section part. Okay, I hope you were able to see it. These are bottom sides. Alright. And then this is what it looks like underneath here. Yeah, overall, I think personally we did a good job. I think she looks better than she did before we began this process. I feel like I should have curled my hair to give it more like va-va-voom, so you can see it like done up and done well or whatever, but I honestly don't like putting heat on my hair. Yeah, I feel like it would have looked completely very nice if we actually styled it. But you know what? This is the bare bones. This is like, I have nothing to hide. It is completely straight, natural. And yeah, I'm proud of the work that we've done. I think moving forward, every time I retouch my hair, I will just lighten it to like a level, maybe like 8, 9, and then we'll just re-gloss it with what we glossed it this time around. And for the ends, I'm debating on if I will do like a bleach bath. I'm definitely growing it out. I do think that we need a little bit of a haircut, like that could possibly use a trim, but we're not there yet. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, but I'm not ready to yet, so we're gonna keep just growing it out, and it's still growing. Like, you know how they say if you don't trim your hair, it's just gonna like slowly break? I mean, I'm pretty sure that is happening to some extent, but for the most part, it's still like on my head. I'm still very happy with it. But yeah, next time we might do a bleach bath. We might just do the same thing, but until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.